Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today the product that I'm going to talk about is not at all a necessary product. There's so many products जिनकी कोई ऐसी ज़रूरत नहीं होती and you don't really need them, but they add something extra to your all over जो आपका स्किन केयर है या फिर in any range if we see इनको इन चीज़ों का शौक है उनको ज़रूर अच्छा लगेगा। और ये जो प्रोडक्ट है वो है फॉरेस्ट एसेंशियल का एंड दिस इज़ द बॉक्स। सो इट इज़ सौंदर्या ल्यूमिनस बॉडी beauty body oil and it has 24 karat gold shimmers. सो एज ऑलवेज वी नो जो भी फॉरेस्ट एसेंशियल के प्रोडक्ट होते हैं उनकी क्वालिटी, उनकी फ्रेग्रेंस, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा होता है। द वे दे आर मेड, एवरीथिंग इज़ ऑलमोस्ट परफेक्ट, बट वो काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव भी होते हैं। सो नॉट एवरीबडी कैन अफोर्ड देम, तो इट्स अप टू यू। बट कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो व्हेन यू गो इन टू दैट store you fall in love with some of the products. So I do have their card. So अगर आप लोग ऐसे हैं जो ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं, फॉरेस्ट एसेंशियल की ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं, देन इट मेक सेंस टू गेट देयर कार्ड विच इज़ कॉल्ड सौंदर्या कार्ड। आई थिंक सौंदर्या or something, it just says Saundarya Absolute Beauty. So that's their card, like membership card. So you if you buy a lot of products from there, then you do get some discount. Like last time when I went, there was like 500 rupees accumulated in the card because of past purchases. So that's how if you keep on buying, then it makes sense to get this card. Now, the product itself, it comes like this. I haven't used it much, बहुत ही थोड़ा मैंने 2-3 बार यूज़ करा है, because when I bought it then summer started, and summer में you cannot use body oils. It's already so humid and also too hot that you cannot use beauty oils, and also this is a little thick. So all we see here is the shimmers. So you just, when you are using it, you need to shake it. So this is how the bottle looks, and this is a 130 ml bottle. Now because winter has started, so now this can be used. And let me see, I've forgotten about it ki kaisa fragrance, I've forgotten about that. It has a very nice fragrance. It fragrance is like saffron की थोड़ी सी fragrance है. So I'll show you guys. First of all, the way this is a beauty body oil, but you can also, she suggested you can also like mix a little bit with your moisturizer. Then you can see how it is. I haven't used it on my face yet. Those days when you want little extra and you want the sheen on your hands and legs and all that for party purposes, then it's a really nice product. So I'm going to show you guys how it is. First, let me just shake it, because the shimmery part is right here settled. So right away when I put it on, it shows the shimmers here. So I think this product will be really nice if you are going for a party and all. उस टाइम के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, and for the winter time. For summers I think it's really hard to इसको use करना. So I put it on my hands and you guys can see कि ये shimmer कर रहा है. It gives a sheen to your hands and it's not tacky at all. थोड़े से that I don't think it will be seen on camera, but you can see here थोड़ा सा वो दिखता है, and along this side too. Just somewhere they are there, but they are not there, like overtly you won't be able to see. So I think बहुत अच्छा ये product है for winter time, for parties, or if you are going for some occasion ऐसा that you want to just have it little extra. So for that it's really nice, and I love it for winters. I truly love it. When I bought it, I used for some days and it was really good. See, it gives something extra. So that is why I bought it, and I think it truly मेक सेंस इफ़ यू आर इनटू प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक दीज. एंड ये इतना ज़्यादा आई थिंक उनका ऐसा प्रोडक्ट नहीं है विच इज़ हाईली मार्केटेड एंड ऑल, तो उतना दिखता नहीं है. सो आई thought कि winter is coming, so it will be really nice, and I'm going to start using it regularly when I go out, not at home. That will be really nice, and you can try and use it just a tiny bit for your face also. That will give you shimmer. So that's all for this video. I think it's really good if you want to try. That's all for this review, guys. Bye.